Okay folks, another quick update on the new man cave build. As you can see, it's really taking shape now. So very quick whistle stop tour. Bifolds are here, ready to go in. They're Corniche doors. I'm going to try and fit those later today. The glass isn't arriving until next week, so I'm having integrated blinds. So you can see it's all boarded now with OSB. There's a door there ready for the shed area. As I said last time, there's going to be a wall here. It's all wrapped in breathable membrane, ready for the cladding. The composite cladding's coming this Friday, so I shall batten and counter batten this and then get the cladding on. Round the back I am having a cheaper cladding, which is this. Basically these steel roofing panels, which are in, I've had these cut in half because I didn't have quite enough, but they're basically a nice anthracite colour. I've gone for much smaller panels than I used last time, much easier to handle. The roof is all finished, so EPDM, I can't speak, EPDM roof. It's got a 70mm batten there because when the battening and the counter battening and the composite cladding goes on, the cladding will just sit under there with about a 2 or 3mm gap to spare. Just take you up to the roof. So the roof is finished. It's EPM, I can't spell that, EPDM rubber roof. You can just see, I think over there, the slope. So you can see the fall where I put this kind of parapet wall in there, and I've tried to make a little exit which will go into a hopper. So I'll check you next time when I've got the doors in, I think. Bye for now.